big period of change in the steel industry. Everyone realises and have realised for quite some time that decarbonisation will define us as an industry probably over the next 10 to 15 years. Decisions that we're making now really define the technology paths that we're taking.
I think what's unique about Sustain is that it's brought all the main steel producers from the UK together, all the main steel-focused universities in the UK together, along with local institutes that are working in steel as well. We're at a really exciting time in the steel industry because we've got this huge challenge about decarbonisation, which obviously Sustain is a big part of. Our customers are desperate for us to decarbonise so that they can decarbonise their own supply chains. And again, as consumers, we want to buy greener products.
There's more steel recycled than all other recycled material put together. I think the technical director from ArcelorMittal said that if the green economy didn't have steel, it would have to invent it.
The focus on sustainability and environmental performance is a real step change in the way that we're thinking about product development. It's an exciting time to be in the steel industry.